Here we go. Come on, kid. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going back. This is compilation number 14.
Lever that starts working fast. Pain Quill, the aches, pain, strains, head pounding, back aching, place pain fast medicine. Oz for the facts.
Classic first-timers. They don't know that nearly half of all used cars have been in an accident.
County in southeastern Nebraska.
I'm trying to see if I can find it on the app, but it's supposed to be on the A&E app, and this is the 4th episode.
Of what?
It's called The Secret of the Bunny House. That Bunny House, Bunny Ranch.
Destination with Margaret Brennan, Sunday on CBS.
People are leaving small towns and communities in record numbers. By the year 2050, one study found that up to 90% of the U.S. population will live in urban areas instead. Plans to create more urban areas for their residents. That includes
Before my start to go to die.
For decades, the Willamette River that runs through Portland, Oregon, was a look but don't touch situation.
When we first moved here, there was no way in hell you'd get in the water.
A river contaminated
Yes,
by raw sewage.
Bennett's going to be right about.
Since 1924, but that
Pops
was then.
Up,
This
going to be
is
right
very
about.
different now. Do any of you, when you dive in, think, I'm not sure this is safe? Willie Levinson, founder of the Human Access Project, helped make the Willamette into a vibrant recreational space.
Step number 1, find a way to clean up the river. Step number 2, there's the cultural change around getting people to see.
Here.
Predator.
Episode 3, yeah. It's on demand.
Before
Where?
start to die.
On Spectrum.
Okay.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, western Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, Mills County.
We'll,
I'm at the very,
Before
very
we'll
end, though.
Right, yeah.
before we'll return. Before my battery died, then we'll switch the
And then
cameras
And wait a minute, listen to me.
to
And then the
iPhone
one right
5C.
after that,
Take.
this one, no, this one right here.
Yeah, that's also.
Okay, listen to me.
North of Nebraska City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. Intact.
Two ladies that were pregnant. So whoever did is going to go to jail for killing not just 4 people, but 6 because the babies.
Now, there is no fast forward on this.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Right here.
This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 1 and 37.
I don't know, just,
We had about 12 minutes left.
yeah.
2 o'clock in the morning.
Fremont, Mills, Montgomery, Page, and Potawatomi.
Page
In the
and-
following counties in Nebraska, Cass and Odo.
Cast a noodle.
The Bunny Ranch is kind of like Walmart or church. You don't have to go.
That's Dennis Hop right there.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to watch it through.
Oh, Dad! Okay, go ahead.
Sort of a degenerate Tony Soprano.
I'll just leave it on there and we'll leave the sound down. Okay, you want me to reboot the box?
Yes. Oh no, why'd you get stuck?
I don't know. Just locked
Because
up.
it won't, the EAS won't pop up.
I'm just pissed off that it's stuck. All I went is to get the other remote and then it got stuck.
And what do you say now?
So why is
That's it. Good night.
Oh, and we'll
why is it
now
not on,
now
on the
iPhone
AES?
5 now
I don't know.
now iPhone 5C take.
Okay. Good night.
Now iPhone 5C take.